High-protein, low-calorie foods for weight loss. Choosing high-protein, low-calorie foods is crucial for effectively losing weight while on a diet. Protein plays a significant role in maintaining muscle mass and promoting satiety, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. In this video, we will introduce 6 high-protein foods that can support a healthy diet by managing your protein intake. By incorporating both animal and plant proteins, you can achieve a well-balanced nutrient profile. Let's dive into each of these foods and explore their advantages, methods of incorporation into your diet, and important precautions. First on our list is plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, containing about 15 to 20 grams per serving depending on the brand. It is also rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. The thick texture and creamy taste make it versatile. You can enjoy it on its own or mix it with fruits, nuts, or seeds for added flavor and nutrition. Additionally, using Greek yogurt as a base for smoothies or salad dressings can enhance your meals while keeping the calorie count low. Next, we have eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, with each large egg providing around 6 grams. They are also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins D and B12, as well as choline, which supports brain health. The versatility of eggs makes them easy to incorporate into your diet. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or poached, and they can be added to salads or served with whole grain toast for a balanced breakfast. While eggs are nutritious, it is important to consume them in moderation, especially if you have high cholesterol levels. If you are concerned about cholesterol, consider using egg whites, which are low in calories and fat while still providing protein. Moving on to fish, this food is not only high in protein, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart health benefits. Fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel provide about 20 to 25 grams of protein per serving. Including fish in your diet can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. You can grill, bake, or steam fish for a healthy meal option. Pairing fish with vegetables or whole grains can create a well-rounded dish. However, it's important to be mindful of the source of your fish. Opt for wild-caught varieties when possible, as they tend to be healthier and contain fewer contaminants compared to farmed fish. Next, we have mushrooms. While often overlooked as a protein source, mushrooms contain about 3 grams of protein per cup, along with a wealth of vitamins and minerals. They are low in calories and can add a savory flavor to your dishes. You can use mushrooms in various recipes, from stir-fries to soups, or grill them as a meat substitute for burgers. They can also enhance the flavor of salads or pasta dishes. One precaution to consider is to ensure that you are consuming edible varieties and to wash them thoroughly before cooking to remove any dirt or contaminants. Now let's talk about chickpeas. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are an excellent plant-based protein source, offering about 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. They are also high in fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps you feel full longer. Chickpeas can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to hummus, or roasted as a crunchy snack. Incorporating chickpeas into your meals can provide both protein and fiber, making them a satisfying addition to any diet. However, if you are watching your calorie intake, be mindful of portion sizes, as the calories can add up quickly when consuming them in large amounts. Finally, we have soy milk. Soy milk is a great alternative to dairy milk for those who are lactose intolerant or following a plant-based diet. It contains about 7 to 8 grams of protein per cup and is often fortified with vitamins and minerals. You can use soy milk in smoothies, cereal, or coffee as a creamy substitute. Additionally, it can be used in cooking and baking, making it a versatile option. When choosing soy milk, look for unsweetened varieties to keep the calorie count low and avoid added sugars. It's also important to ensure that you are not allergic to soy before incorporating it into your diet. In conclusion, incorporating these high-protein, low-calorie foods into your diet can significantly aid in weight loss and overall health. Plain Greek yogurt, eggs, fish, mushrooms, chickpeas, and soy milk offer various health benefits while keeping your calorie intake in check. Remember to balance your protein sources by including both animal and plant proteins to achieve a well-rounded nutrient profile. Always be mindful of portion sizes and choose high-quality options to maximize the health benefits. By making these dietary changes, you can support your weight loss journey and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your pursuit of a healthier diet.